All right, 2001 Ford Ranger 2.5 liter. The engine light came on. Went to AutoZone, get it diagnosed. Evaporative emission system vent control circuit, which is the solenoid, whatever you say it, the valve PV520. Okay, so I bought this at AutoZone. I spent too much time trying to figure it out, but basically on this truck model, this valve, let me see, that's the new one, okay, right, is located under, behind the spare tire. Can't really see well right here. It is, there you go, boom, right there. That's where it is. So next step is I'm gonna drop the wheel, the spare wheel, and I'll catch up on the other side. All right, the wheel is off, and I am just noticing the wire have been chewed out. So maybe my valve is not bad, it's just the wire is cut. So I'm gonna try and repair the wires first and see if that works. If so, I'm gonna keep this one as a spare, but basically after dropping the rear wheel, there's a lot more room to work with right here, so that would be an easy fix. All right, I hope this helps.